Hi, this is Lewis with SurfPrep Sanding, and thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to show you our sanding system. The sanding system has grown in popularity and it's available in electric and air in various sizes. So what I want to do today is kind of walk you through the system and what we have available and what comes in the kit when you receive it. So when you purchase the sanding system, it's either going to come in our cardboard box or it's optional with our Thanos box toolbox. So when you open the system, what you're going to find is our conversion chart, which you'll see on the screen here. And the conversion chart is going to have all of our foam and film, well, all of our foam and the conversion to what abrasive it matches. So you want to take a look at this so you can get familiar with the terminology that we use for all of our foam abrasives. Now what we do is we include the tool. Now this is an air tool, the 3x4 air. This one has the air line. You're going to get all of our most popular film abrasives, and we can take those out. Now this is a stair-rated aluminum oxide. And this is also going to come with our interface pad and our pad saver. It's also going to come with our most popular foam abrasives. Now this is an air tool, so it has a little bottle of oil in there for you. If you are going to be traveling or transporting the tool, we do have the available Sustainer Thanos box. That's going to come the same way, packaged with the most popular foam, film, and tool. Now this is great, so if you're going job site to job site, you can pack it up. And it also locks to another toolbox. So if you have the 3x4 and a 5-inch, they will lock together and you can transport them that way. What we always recommend, anytime you're going to use your film abrasive, we never want to stick the film abrasive directly to the pad. So anytime you're going to use this tool, we want to use at least the pad saver. So we put the pad saver here, and we can attach our film abrasive directly to it. So this is great for running flat surfaces. Now if we want something that's going to flex a little bit, we can go to our interface pad. And that's a foam interface pad, and it's available in different thicknesses and also densities. So if this one's not going to work for you, you can check our website and check all the other thicknesses and densities that we have on the interface pad. That one's going to go directly on the pad, and your film would attach directly to that. Now, when we start taking a look at all of our foam abrasives, you're going to notice that they're different thicknesses. So this variety pack is going to come with a variety of our most popular abrasives in the 5mm, 10mm, and 1/2 inch. So we have our 1/2 inch here, we have our 10mm here, and we have our 5mm here. And the reason we encourage everybody to get the sanding system is because we recognize it's a completely different system than what most people are accustomed to. So we get asked a lot, what abrasive should we buy? This is our way of letting you try everything and make that decision for yourself, because obviously that's going to depend on the types of coatings you're using, the substrates that you're sanding. You know, maybe you're not working with cabinets, you're working with moldings. So we really encourage you to get this kit so that you can try everything and see what's going to work best for you. So with the 1/2 inch, if you're doing a refinish, for example, or a repaint, you might want to just scuff sand. So a lot of people use the 1/2 inch for its ability to contour profiles really easily for your scuff sanding. I like to use the 5mm foam for all of my flats, even if it is a raised panel. That's going to save the foam on my 1/2 inch abrasive, and it's also very easy to transition between the two. So if I'm sanding all my flat panels on this door with the 5mm, I can come right here and change this and go directly to a 1/2 inch to get the profiles if I choose to do so. What I like to do as well, and I'll kind of show this, if we are using the 1/2 inch to scuff sand, we want to try to save this pad. There's so many different things that we can do. It doesn't have to be stuck directly in the center. We can also offset this pad to help us get into those profiles. And what that's also going to do is save that pad from banging into the corners. Now with the 10mm foam, And of course, you're going to have to find, what's going to work best for your system. But some people do like to use the 10 millimeter foam for the density. It's more dense. It's great for, slightly rounded profiles, maybe a handrail, chair rail, something along those lines. And you'll notice that when you receive the system, just the density of that foam. All right, so I hope that information helped you on what comes in the kit. And of course, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.